how to download and install WhatsApp Business on your mobile phone. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install WhatsApp Business on your mobile phone. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to head over to your App Store. If you're using an Android, it will be your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, it will be your Apple Store. So just head over to your App Store, and then on your App Store's homepage, move to the bottom right corner, click on the search icon, click on the search box, and then type out the name of the application, which in this case is WhatsApp Business. Once you have done that, the WhatsApp Business application will be displayed on the screen. And for you, in the position where you can see the option update for me, you will see the option install instead. All right, that's what you would see. So all you need to do is to click on install. After clicking on install, so for example, I'm just going to click on update now. So this is how it's going to be rolling. Then the application will be downloaded. And once it is downloaded, it will automatically be installed on your mobile phone. And then instead of you to see install, you'll see the option open. You can then open the app and then go ahead to create an account. So it is that simple, right? You can see that it is almost downloaded, and just wait for it to be installed. Then as you can see, it has changed to installing. That is exactly how it's going to be. After it is done downloading, you will see that the writing will change to installing, and then once it is done installing, the open button will be available together with the cancel button. So just click on open, and then once you click on open, your WhatsApp account would be opened, and then you can go ahead to register and create an account on WhatsApp Business. So this is basically how to go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.